What's up guys, Cody with Sonic Electronics here. We're at the Rockford booth at SEMA 2024. We've got Eric from Rockford Fosgate with us. We're taking a look at what they have to offer for your 98 to 13 Harley Davidson. So Eric, what do we have out on the table? What kind of components, what kind of different package levels do you offer here at Rockford?
Yep, so we're looking at a Stage 3 kit for a street glide. So
Okay.
Stage 3 adds 6x9 saddlebags, 6.5 inch front fairing, 800 watt amp, and we have with and without the radio. You can also do a Stage 2 without the saddlebags, but all the kits include amplifier bracketry, amplifier wiring, so it's all plug and play in the system, and it's all focused around the same 800 watt amplifier. So whether you do 2 speakers or 8 speakers, this one amplifier can run it all.
Awesome, and as for the source unit here, you have, I see Pandora, Sirius XM, Bluetooth. Any other features that this thing really has to offer?
Well, the cool thing is it has a day-night mode.
Okay.
So in the sun, you can change the display so it's easier to read. And there's also a front panel subwoofer level control. It's a really great multimedia source unit. A lot of riders on a 9813 fairing love to swap out the radio, so that way they have some modern technology on the bike itself.
Very nice, very nice. So I see that you have all this for the street glide. Do you have anything to offer for the road glides out there?
Absolutely. So it's the same kit, just a different bezel for the 6.5 inch.
Oh.
This obviously fits the bat wing, and then we have different grills for the road glide fairing, the shark nose.
Gotcha, gotcha. Awesome. Well, I appreciate it. That's Eric with Rockford Fosgate. Be sure to check out what they've got over there on their site. Check out sonicelectronics.com if you need to get your hands on any of this awesome product. See you guys on the next one.